more straight line. Yeah. So actually, otherwise a bit more higher. No. Narrow stance, more smooth. But only balance. Not using the balance. But no. Right? Only this one. You cannot anyway. So this one also Vyankata. No. Narrow stance, but this one. Okay?
Being by the SID.
Yeah? Not so difficult. This one, you can use it. Yeah? More use. From here to advance, more. See? This only hand. No. See? Like this. So, more try this. Then use it. So only balance. So, no this way. This way. And like this, no? Some so on the line. So advance, most advance. On the line. No? Side line. No. Here. Like this. So advance, more narrow. Just that yeah. Balance, no? You must think about it. No? Right? So posture correct. Okay, use balance. Okay? Correct posture. Right? Okay.